route. So that's what we're going to do. All right, post route. So everyone write post route on their paper. And then go ahead and solve this problem. This is worth 30 yards. So you're setting this one up. BFC is 7x minus 40. CFE is 2x plus 85. And you're trying to find the measure of EFD. So even after you solve for x, there's a little bit of work that you have left to do, okay? V got 65, 25. Very good. Oh, good. It was a fumble, but the Patriots recovered their own fumble. Okay, the answer is 25. Very good. What did we get for x? What was x? Hopefully you did 7x minus 40 plus 2x plus 85 equals 180, because that is a linear pair. Those two angles are a linear pair. Here's the line. They're a linear pair. That's a P. So what did y'all get for x? 15? And then you have to plug it back in. So 7 times 15 minus 40. This angle is 65, but it was asking for this angle right here. Do you agree that these two angles are complementary? They add up to 90? Because there's 180 and we've already used up 90. So those two angles add up to 90. So 90 minus 65 would give us 25. So the measure of EFD is 25. So V, you got everything correct except you didn't keep going. You had to keep going to find the final answer. No harm, no foul, because you still get 30 yards. The Patriots, 10, 20, 30 yards. You're now on the 20-yard line. Oops, we haven't scored yet, sorry. You're on the 20-yard line. We've already used this one up. And so, Rishi, what do you want to run next? Write out and up on your paper and solve this problem. Hey, 44 is the correct answer. He caught the ball, and I have a feeling this is going to be a touchdown. But before we talk about the touchdown, let's talk about this problem really quick. We want A to be forced to be parallel to B. So I always extend my lines to see what's going on. Which line is the transversal that we need to focus on? Good catch. Which line is the transversal? Good, C. Now, if that's a transversal, then we know, this was what we learned on the converse day, we know if same side interior angles are supplementary, that forces the lines to be parallel. So we want this to be supplementary with this. The thing about this problem was you weren't supposed to use the 125 at all. It was there as a distractor. Okay? So you wanted 57 plus 3x minus 9 to equal, whoa, that was a weird 8, sorry, to equal 180. And so you solve for x to get x is 44. You don't have to do anything else. Yay, good job. So 20 yards, 10, 20, score, score. Do you hear the cheering? Okay. So your extra point is extremely easy. It's from, I think it's from last unit. Ready? I'll call on someone. They'll be our kicker. Don't say the answer. All right. Our kicker is Alton. What is your answer, Alton? Always, sometimes, or never. Complementary angles are sometimes adjacent. Awesome. So team 2, the Patriots, now have 7 points. And we will go back to the field. And the Colts, you have it on the 50-yard line. So Out and up is gone. And Colts captain, you get to pick a point. One is called the Hail Mary. Find the measure of angle 1. Woo! Very good. The answer is the measure of angle 1 is 102. Let me show you one way that you could look at this problem, although Chloe might have done it a different way. The way I did it was I drew my own additional parallel line. I drew my own additional parallel line, and I said, oh, these two angles are alternate interior angles, 54, 54. And these two angles, here and here, are alternate interior angles, 48, 48. So then together, angle 1 is just an angle addition problem. It's 54 plus 48. So that's one way to do it, is to draw your own parallel line in there. Did anyone do it a different way? Talking when it should have been Rishi? I'm sorry. All right, go ahead and solve this problem. It is worth 40 yards, so I mean, that's good. That's a lot. That'll get you 10 yards away. Good guess. You knew you had it right. Very good. X is 52 and Y happens to be nothing, 0, zip. One way that you could solve this is you could set them both equal to the measure of their angle. So first you would need to find the supplement of 128. 180 minus 128. So we know that this angle is 52 degrees and this angle is 52. And we could kind of do it like the other problems we've been doing. X plus Y is 52 and X minus Y is 52. It's kind of silly. 2X is 104, but then you divide it back in 2 again and you get X is 52 and Y is nothing. Kind of silly, huh? Okay, so 40 yards for the Patriots. Woo! You're on the 10-yard line. What do you want, Rishi? Pick a play. Shotgun. Thank you for picking quick. There we go. All right, 30 yards. This will get you more than you need. Once again, same problem, different numbers. Find the values of X and Y so that M is parallel to N. Very nice. Okay, so it's another problem kind of similar to the last one, where X is a number, X is 60, and Y ended up being 0 again. You would set X minus 3Y equal to 60 because they're vertical angles. And you would set 2X plus 3Y equal to not 60 but to 120 because it is same side interior with the other angle. And then you would add them together and your Y's would cancel. Very good job. All right, so very nice. You made it to the end zone. Score! All right, extra point. This is going to go to Karthik. If an angle is not acute, it's obtuse. Sorry, what? The answer is sometimes. If the angle is not acute, it could be obtuse, or it could be right, or it could be straight, right? It has options. That angle has options. So that one is sometimes. Very good. Okay, so scoreboard, you're now at 14. And if you guys have to go, you're welcome to go. We do have a test tomorrow. If you're still here, you can keep playing. Oh, wait. The Colts have the ball, right? Okay, what play do you want to run?